Rescue Concentrate is a one-step disinfectant, cleaner, and deodorizer that requires dilution. It kills a broad spectrum of hard-to-kill pathogens in as little as 5 minutes. Rescue Concentrate comes in a variety of large formats, making it cost-effective. It's ideal for large surface areas, such as floors, and can also be diluted into spray bottles for smaller surface areas like exam tables. When using Rescue Concentrate, dilute the product using a mixing station, approved accessories, or a measuring cup. For everyday use, dilute the concentrate at 1:64 or 2 ounces per gallon. Other dilution ratios may be appropriate for certain pathogens or outbreaks. Start by pre-cleaning heavily soiled areas. Apply the diluted solution onto the surface until visibly wet. Leave the surface wet and allow for the required contact time. The contact time for diluted concentrate is generally 5 minutes. After the contact time, you can wipe the surface dry or allow it to air dry. It's important to use the appropriate dilution ratio. This will depend on what you are disinfecting for. For daily cleaning and disinfecting, dilute Rescue Concentrate at 1:64 or 2 ounces per gallon at a 5-minute contact time. For high-risk areas or outbreak conditions, dilute Rescue at 1:16 or 8 ounces per gallon at a 5-minute contact time. Follow the dilution directions and remember that more is not always better. If the situation doesn't involve high risk, an everyday dilution of 1:64 is appropriate and effective. When using diluted Rescue in a spray bottle, make sure to apply a workplace label onto the bottle. Record the lot number of the concentrate, the dilution ratio, and the date the dilution was created. The diluted solution is effective for 90 days in a closed container.